So here's our model set to forward and the state is S or stopped, that is, the speed happens to be 0. We press the tactile switch to ramp up the speed. It starts from 75 and increases in steps of 5 right up to 120. On reaching 120, you would find that the speed doesn't increase any further. Now we reduce the speed. The speed again reduces in steps of 5. And once it hits 75, you would see that it drops to 0. Now we flip the direction to back. And when we ramp up the speed, the motor spins in the opposite direction. Again, the speed starts from 75 and goes right up to 120. No further increase. Now we reduce the speed again to 75 and then to 0. Again, the motor sets spinning in the forward direction. We can also use the reset button as an emergency stop.